And they're on their way. Moment in time draws for your lead. Echikatsu's right behind in second. Flying with you, Speedmaker. Moving a party outside that chairwoman in between the runners. Then comes Backyard B-Boy by the Rail Ice Storm. And trailing the group is Tarlac as they round the last 600. Moment in time in command by about half length, flying with you in second and moving a party outside is the favorite, and that's the chairwoman. Speedmaker is racing in fourth. Echikatsu, Backyard B-Boy also closing in as they turn for home. Moment in time, this time by about 2 lengths now. Running in second on the outside, the chairwoman. Flying with you is by the rail with the last 100. Moment in time, leveling a party outside is the chairwoman. Moves up to take the lead, and finally the chairwoman. Second moment in time, 5A, Backyard B-Boy took third. Then comes Flying with you is Speedmaker, Tarlac, Ice Storm, and Echikatsu.